represent for make, for make. You bitches can't sit with me.
Hey guys, so have you ever tried to do the splits and then this happened? Well, today I'm gonna show you all how to fix that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the cheesy ass intro. I just wanted to do something different, but yet something that showcased my personality. So anyways, the first stretch I'm going to be showing you guys is just like a sort of lunge stretch, and this just really helps to stretch out your hip flexors, which is something, you know, that stops a lot of people from being able to do the splits because they're so tight, and this stretch just really helps to loosen them up. I like to hold each stretch from anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds depending on how deep of a stretch I really want. Also, forgive me if I don't know the name of each stretch. I just remember doing these stretches in gymnastics, but I don't remember what they're called, and they really helped a lot with increasing flexibility. But anyways, this next one I'm doing, I'm just basically like my legs are out as straight as I can possibly put them, and then I'm just leaning forward to help stretch my inner thigh / groin area. This next stretch is going to help stretch your hamstring area as well as the glutes. Once you put your leg on a high enough surface, you just want to kind of like lean down into it just to increase the stretch. If you want to go for even more, you can find a higher surface. I'm just using the top of my mirror, but be very careful when doing this stretch. You don't want to hurt yourself, and this is definitely more advanced if you're more flexible. I wouldn't recommend this as a beginner, but really helpful stretch is really going to help stretch those hamstrings, which is really important when it comes to being able to do the splits. So just doing the same thing to the other side, and you might see me grab the back of my leg as well. I'm just protecting my knees as well. You don't want to put too much stress on them, and you also don't want to completely straighten them out. So yeah, just be mindful of that as well. So now once you've done all of those stretches, which you should do these at least twice a day, I'm just going to be doing the splits again, and you can see I haven't got them completely down. Just going to show you from another angle really quick. I haven't completely gotten them down, but you can see I'm a lot further than when I first started. So if you guys want to learn how to do the splits faster, I highly recommend doing these stretches twice a day for like a week, 2 weeks, and then try it again and see how much further you can get. I did this all on the same day, but if you're not on the same flexibility level as I am, I would recommend waiting a week and then trying it again. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments down below. As always, stay blessed and beautiful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.